Hey, dream chasers! Are you ready to make 2025 your best year yet? Whether you're setting new goals, tackling challenges, or simply striving for personal growth, this is the year you turn your dreams into reality. Stick with me as we dive into some powerful motivational quotes that will ignite your passion, boost your confidence, and set you on the path to success. Let's make this year unforgettable. Together. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. This powerful quote reminds us that belief is the foundation of success. It's easy to feel discouraged or doubt ourselves when our dreams seem far away. But Roosevelt encourages us to trust in the beauty of those dreams. When you truly believe in your vision, you begin to align your actions and mindset with that future. It's not just about achieving goals. It's about having the courage to believe that what you want is possible. So never stop dreaming and always believe in your potential. Your future is waiting, and it's yours to create. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Churchill's words remind us that neither success nor failure defines us permanently. Success is a moment, but it's not the end of the journey. And failure is simply a setback, not the end. What truly matters is the courage to keep moving forward, no matter what obstacles we face. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, and every success is a stepping stone towards something bigger. So, don't be afraid to stumble. What counts is your ability to rise again and keep pushing toward your dreams. Your life does not get better by chance. It gets better by change. Jim Rohn. This powerful quote reminds us that we are the architects of our own lives. Waiting for things to improve on their own is a passive approach. True growth and progress come from making intentional changes. Whether it's a shift in mindset, habits, or the decisions you make each day, change is the key to unlocking a better life. Don't wait for life to improve by chance. Take action, embrace change, and create the life you desire. It's in your hands. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. This quote highlights the incredible power of self-belief. Often, the biggest hurdle we face is doubt. Doubting our abilities, our worth, or our potential. But Roosevelt reminds us that once you believe in yourself, you've already overcome half the battle. Confidence fuels action. And when you truly believe you can achieve something, you're far more likely to take the steps necessary to make it happen. So, trust in your ability and take that first step. You're already halfway to success. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. This quote challenges us to confront the doubts that hold us back. Often, it's not external circumstances that limit us. It's our own fears and uncertainties about the future. Roosevelt reminds us that the only true obstacle to achieving our dreams is the hesitation we feel in the present. When you let go of self-doubt and embrace confidence, you unlock limitless possibilities for the future. Don't let doubt hold you back. Believe in yourself, and the future will unfold in ways you never imagined. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. When facing a big challenge, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, like success is out of reach. But Mandela's words remind us that what feels impossible today is often just a matter of persistence and time. Every major accomplishment started with doubt, but the key is to keep going, even when the road ahead looks tough. The truth is, once you push through and complete the task, you'll look back and realize it was never as impossible as it seemed. So take that first step. What feels impossible now could be your success story tomorrow. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Levinson reminds us that time is constantly moving, and so should we. Instead of worrying about how much time has passed or how much is left, focus on the task at hand and keep moving forward. Like the clock, keep ticking, keep progressing, and keep working toward your goals. Progress doesn't happen by waiting for the right moment. It happens through consistent action. So don't get caught up in the time. Just keep going and trust that each step brings you closer to where you want to be. So you have it. 7 motivational quotes to inspire you to take action, push through adversity, and create the life you've always dreamed of. As we step into 2025, remember that the only limitations you face are the ones you impose on yourself. So, take these words with you. Stay focused on your goals and know that you have the power to make this year your best yet. If you found these quotes inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little motivation today. Keep moving forward, and remember, greatness is just around the corner.